everyone, my name is Samantha. Um, I'm really excited to see some familiar faces and also excited to see some new ones. Right now, I'm completing my field placement at an agency that deals with children with cancer or other life-threatening illnesses. The way we would describe it is if you're a kid going through grown-up stuff that you shouldn't necessarily have to deal with, you are eligible for our program. We have a lot of sick children, a lot of siblings of sick children. We also have kids with some sort of mental illness, anxiety, depression. We kind of deal with it all, which is really cool. Also, really sad at the same time, but it's a good placement to just kind of see a little bit of everything. I really wanted to take medical social work as an elective because I've always wanted to be in the medical field. Um, Growing up, I was always told I should be a nurse, but that was never really my thing. But I've always wanted to work in a hospital. My end goal is to be a pediatric oncology social worker. So I need a little bit of that medical background. I never really wanted to work in a school or CPS or anything in that realm. So I knew medical social work was definitely an elective I wanted to get into. And what am I hoping to take away from from my involvement in this course? I am just excited to learn it all. This is my first time taking a medical social work anything, and I think I'm just really excited to understand how to deal with that side of social work and to understand how to deal with everything that comes with sick children or children who have sick parents, sick siblings. And I think that I'll get a lot of information out of this course. Currently at my internship, I actually have another social worker that works closely with us, and she has her degree in medical social work. So she is so excited for me to be taking this course, and she's just been such an awesome person to lean on. And now that I'm in this course, I just know I'm going to be calling her all the time and just asking her questions and her opinions, and she's just so excited to be on this journey with me. So it's really awesome, and I'm really, really excited. I can't believe that I'm already in this class. I feel like it was just a few months ago that I was starting this program, and it's all going so quick, and I'm just super excited. We're at the light at the end of the tunnel. I look forward to working with you all and experiencing this course with everybody.